Hello friends, welcome to Aha Kids channel. In today's video, I am going to share you the story of Santa Claus and the magic of giving. Long ago, in a snowy village near the North Pole, there lived a jolly man named Santa Claus. He had a round belly that shook when he laughed, rosy cheeks, and a heart even bigger than his red coat. Santa loved helping children. Every year, he worked with his cheerful elves to make toys, wooden trains, dolls, puzzles, and teddy bears. The workshop rang with laughter, bells, and music. One Christmas Eve, as Santa was checking his list, he noticed something strange. The toys were perfect, the sleigh was ready, but the Christmas magic felt weak. The reindeer couldn't even lift the sleigh. Just then, a small elf named Jingle said, "Santa, maybe Christmas magic isn't just about toys. Maybe it's about kindness." Santa thought hard. He remembered how children smiled when they shared, helped others, and said, "Thank you." He smiled and said, "You're right. Christmas magic grows when hearts are kind." Santa sprinkled a little kindness dust over the sleigh, and suddenly, whoosh, it flew into the sky. That night, Santa delivered gifts, but he also left something special behind. A little sparkle of kindness in every home. The next morning, children laughed, shared their toys, helped their parents, and hugged their families. Santa watched from the sky and said, "That's the best gift of all." Moral of the story: Christmas is not just about getting gifts, it's about giving, sharing, and being kind. When you help others and spread joy, you become part of Santa's magic too. If you like this moral story, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe for my channel.